top 22 most motivating Cristiano Ronaldo quotes. World-class professional soccer player, Cristiano Ronaldo has set records while playing for both Manchester United and Real Madrid. He is currently giving the best for Juventus. Loved by millions of fans around the globe, he has some truly remarkable athletic achievements. I will to show this video are the top 22 most motivating Cristiano Ronaldo's quotes that will inspire you to become greater in your own life. Cristiano Ronaldo was born in Santos, Aveiro on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal. By 2003, when he was only 16 years, Manchester paid £12 million, over $14 million, to sign him, a record-breaking sum for a player of his age. In 2009, Real Madrid paid a record $131 million for his services. The desire to evolve and achieve greatness is universal to all human beings. However, only a few people put in the time and effort to really earn greatness. See what it takes to be one of them. This collection of the top 22 most motivating Cristiano Ronaldo quotes will help you learn from his path to greatness. Top 22 most motivating Cristiano Ronaldo quotes. Your love makes me strong. Your hate makes me unstoppable. I want to consistently play well and win titles. I'm only at the beginning. I feel endless need to learn, to improve, to evolve, not only to please the coach and the fans, but also to feel satisfied with myself. Talent isn't everything. You can have it from the cradle, but it is necessary to learn the trade to be the best. I don't mind people hating me, because it pushes me. If we can't help our family, who are going to help? I have my flaws too, but I am a professional who doesn't like to miss or lose. I would be very proud if, one day, I'm held in the same esteem as George Best or Beckham. It's what I'm working hard towards. Talent without working hard is nothing. I don't have to show anything to anyone. There is nothing to prove. I prefer other people to make judgments about the way I play and to characterize me, rather me describe myself. Today there are opportunities that no one knows if they will come round again in the future. If you don't believe you are the best, then you will never achieve all that you are capable of. There is no harm in dreaming of becoming the world's best player. It is all about trying to be the best. I will keep working hard to achieve it, but it is within my capabilities. I don't want to be compared to anyone. I'd like to impose my own style of play and do the best for myself and for the club here. I'm living a dream I never want to wake up from. We don't want to tell our dreams. We want to show them. I am not a perfectionist, but I like to feel that things are done well. More important than that, I feel an endless need to learn, to improve, to evolve. I've never tried to hide the fact that it is my intention to become the best. They always have two stones in their hands when I speak. I am not a saint, but I'm not a devil either. Scoring goals is a great feeling. But the most important thing to me is that the team is successful. It doesn't matter who scores the goals as long as we're winning. I see football as an art and all players are artists. If you are a top artist, The last thing you would do is paint a picture somebody else has already painted. If you want to enjoy more inspirational, life hacks and motivational videos like this, subscribe to our channel, and you will see again in the next video. Until then, stay well, stay healthy and stay with the Motivation Minute. Thank you.